Hey guys, so I'd like to do a little bit of work today with you around the intercostal muscles, those little muscles between your ribs and around the shoulder girdles. Just a lovely little exercise that you can slot into your day as and when needed. So we're going to take the pearl ball for this one, and we're going to place it underneath the armpit and just wrap the arm around and underneath the ball. I'm going to try and get that ball really centered on the side of the ribs. If you're quite tight under the around these muscles under the armpit, then it might be that the ball wants to sit quite far forwards, or that you can't quite get it into this little space around the back of the armpit here. That's fine. We're going to take it where we can. But you may find that as things shift, you can move the ball around as you work, move it slightly higher, slightly further back. I'm going to take a hold of the wrist underneath with the free hand, and the palm is looking face up to the ceiling on that working arm. Softening into the knees, just grounding through the feet a little bit. Make sure the weight of the body is equally balanced through the soles of the feet. And we're just going to take a nice, lovely full breath into the ball. Try to direct your breath directly into where the ball is. And as you breathe out, just gently pulling on the wrist. And we'll go again, breathing into where the ball is. And as you exhale, gently pulling on the wrist. And as you take the next breath in, try to maintain that little bit of pull on the wrist. And just being aware as we work of that pull not being so strong that it pulls the arm or the shoulder forwards. We're maintaining that pull just directly into the ball, and that will dictate how much pressure you can apply through that pull. Let's take the ball away, stand with that, see how that feels. Oh, what a difference between the one side and the other. Let's do the same thing then on the other side. So placing the ball underneath the armpit, wrapping the arm around the ball, taking a hold of that wrist with the free hand. And the hand that you're holding, the palm is looking face up to the ceiling. Softening the knees and allowing the breath to come in directly to where the ball is. And breathing out, just gently pulling on the wrist. It should pull or squeeze the ball directly into the side of you, not forwards or backwards. Let's go again. And there's not a lot of power needed in that. We're not pushing or driving into that squeeze, just a gentle squeeze. Full breath into the ball, as full as you're able. And gently pulling on the wrist as you exhale. We'll go one more breath. And then, yes, take the ball away, stand with that. And as ever, just recognize, see how that feels in your body.